In this video, I will show you how to make this crochet head bandana for your doll. Okay, you can just make a knot on the back. This is how it looks like. So let's get started. To make this bandana, you will need lace cotton yarn. I use Melissa Perle number 8. 2 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle. Start making a magic ring. Okay. And chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now yarn over, and inside this magic ring we will make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. This is how it looks like already. Now chain 2, and again we will make a group of 3 double crochet inside the magic ring. So again yarn over, and inside magic ring make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1, and we will make our last double crochet in the magic ring. Okay, now close this hole, and we started with chain of 4, so we count it as chain of 3 will be like a double crochet, and an extra chain, the 4th one, will be the hole, so exactly like we finished. Here we have a hole, so chain 1 and then a double crochet. Now we will again chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and turn our work. Yarn over, and in this first hole, when we chained 1, make a group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, and we will enter here to the next hole when we had a chain of 2. And here again we will make a group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2, and in the same space we will make another group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, and we will go here to the last hole, and again make a group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, and we will make our last double crochet into the 3rd chain of this beginning chain. Okay, so this is how it looks like after round number 2. Now again make a chain of 4, 2, 3, 4, turn your work, and again we will work first our first group of 3 double crochet here in this hole. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, go to the next hole. Here we will make again a group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, go to this hole on the top, and here we will repeat the same as in the previous round. So 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same space. So 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, go to the next space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, last space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and we will make our last double crochet into the third chain. Okay, and we still have to make one more round, so chain 4, turn your work, and again here in this first hole we'll make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, go to the next space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, go to the next space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, we are going to the top, so here 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, go to the next space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and our last group here, 1, 2 and 3, okay, chain 1 and our last double crochet into the third chain. Okay, I will finish here, but obviously if you wanted to make it bigger, you just need to make more rounds. But as I said, I will leave it like this. So now I will make a chain of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And starting from this next chain, we will make single crochet in each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 18, and the last one will be number 19. Okay. Okay, and now we will work through all these edge, all this bottom. So in every space we will make 2 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in this first hole. Later we go here, 2 single crochet. So on the side of every double crochet or chain we made 2 double crochet in the next space. Okay, 2 double crochet here, single crochet. We work with single crochet all over. And I will make 1 single crochet here in this hole. Okay, now I will try to cover this tail. So again, 2 single crochet here, 2 single crochet in the next space, 2 single crochet here, and still 2 single crochet here. And here we will make another chain of 20. And we will repeat exactly the same. I will stop the video here right now. So again, chain 20 and make 19 single crochet to the end of the chain, and I will show you what to do next. I'm working my last single crochet in the chain, so number 19, and I will go here to this first hole, and inside the hole I will make 1 single crochet, and I will just work single crochet here to the top, making single crochet on the top of the stitches, so our group of 3, 1, 2, 3, and inside the hole. Again, here we have a group of 3 double crochet, so on the top of the stitches we will make single crochet, and the next one will be in the hole. Okay, our 3 single crochet on the top of the double crochet and in the hole, and here we have, okay, still the group. And now on the top of our bandana, so here where we had chain 2, we will make 3 single crochet inside the hole. So it's 1, 2, and 3. This is how it looks like. And now we will just keep making single crochet on this side to the end. Okay, just a few stitches more. And our last group, 1, 2, and 3. Here still we will make 1 single crochet inside the hole, and now we will make a slip stitch. The truth is somewhere here between stitches or even here. Okay, now I will chain 1 and we can cut the yarn. Okay, we have to weave in these ends. This one is quite hidden, so I just can cut it. I will weave in this one, and our little bandana is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more crochet tutorials for dolls, and see you next time.